Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an account on Messenger. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now to create an account on Messenger, first of all open Messenger app on your phone. Now on the bottom of the page, you can see create new account option. Tap on the option, type your name, your last name, select next, type your birth date and select next, type your email address and select next, type your gender and select next, select your password and click on sign up. Now a code has been sent to your email. Check your email, check the code is 415359. Type the code, select continue. Now tap on go to Messenger. You are now being logged into your Messenger.